everyone, I am Sarvesh. Today I am going to show you the surfer van. So, it is a surfer. Let's see the exterior of this model. So, this is the door. A ladders at the left of the door. And reaching from the ladders reach to recreation area. So let's see. As you can see, there are 3 extra seats. These are flexible. An extra stove and a swimming pool.
Jack it up.
Now, let's see the interior of this model. Now, as we can see, it is a driving cabinet. Here is the door. It's a driver seat. I will zoom it. So, this seat is also flexible, so that driver can sleep. There is a kitchen, mini kitchen and a dining table. Also, there is a bunk bed. I will remove it. So like this, there are 2 beds.